In this video, you'll learn about the complexities of affiliate marketing so you can get a better understanding of the concept and decide how you'd like to get started. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a bonus tip on how to get started with affiliate marketing properly. Let's get started. Anyone who introduces others to products and services is known as an affiliate marketer. The affiliate marketer isn't responsible for the product's development, shipping, or payment to the merchant. He merely recommends others to products and/or services available on the internet, and he is paid a commission if a sale is made through his recommendation. Before the internet, there was referral marketing, which is a marketing strategy that uses recommendations and word of mouth to expand a company's customer base through the networks of existing consumers, but everything changed when the internet was invented. Now there was a simple monitoring method known as a cookie which could show you when a purchase was made, what it was for, and who the affiliate commission was due to. A blogger or website owner introduces you to a new product, uses a post to clarify an issue you're facing, or persuades you to purchase a software. To repay the favor, the blogger or website owner is hoping you'll buy anything using one of his referral links. When a customer buys through an affiliate link, the price is the same as if he bought directly from the manufacturer. When we visit websites and they provide us with solutions to problems or otherwise assist us, we want to return the favor and assist them. This is accomplished by making purchases through their affiliate links. Affiliate marketing leverages the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy while providing contributors with a share of the profit. To make this work, three different parties are involved and they are: 1. The seller and product creators. 2. The affiliate marketer or advertiser. 3. The consumer. Now let's delve into the complex relationship these three parties share to ensure affiliate marketing is a success. Seller and product creators, whether as solo entrepreneurs or large enterprises, is referred to as a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object, like household goods, or a service, like cooking, chess, how-to or martial arts tutorials. The seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but he may choose to also be an advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a drop-shipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to promote his products. The publisher or affiliate, also known as a marketer, is a person or an organization who promotes a seller's goods to potential customers in an appealing manner. The affiliate advertises the product in order to persuade customers that it is helpful to them and to persuade them to buy it. If the customer purchases the product, the affiliate receives a percentage of the sale. Affiliates frequently market to a very narrow audience. This target audience is referred to as a niche. Following that audience's interests in general develops a distinct brand that helps the affiliate in attracting customers who are most likely to take advantage of the deal. The consumer drives the affiliate marketing concept because the purchases he makes is the incentive for the product creator and affiliate marketer. Affiliates share these products with the target audience on social media, blogs, and websites through posts which they constantly upload. When consumers buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profits. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commissions for the sales they make. Other times the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Either way, the affiliate's share of the profit is included in the retail price of the product or service. The consumer will complete the purchase process and receive the product as normal, unaffected by the affiliate marketing system in which he is a significant part of. How do affiliate marketers get paid? As previously mentioned, one of the issues with earlier versions of referral marketing was that there was no method to effectively track transactions. And the original referrers who deserved to be compensated for producing the sales were not easily identified. All of that changed with the advent of the internet. Purchases can now be tracked via a cookie mechanism, which stores small bits of code in your browser and in your affiliate dashboard. The cookie can also be used to monitor the affiliate marketer who made the sale, allowing him to be credited and collect an affiliate commission. Knowing that affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy, it implies that the affiliate marketer whose link the customer makes a purchase or takes a specific action from, only gets paid afterwards for his marketing efforts. In other words, only when a sale is made. Do product makers pay for marketing? The affiliate is responsible for all marketing costs, no matter how minor, such as hosting, software, tools, domain registration, and any other costs associated with reaching the target audience. Affiliate marketing is becoming increasingly popular among product creators. And as a result of this, as affiliate programs develop, so also does the potential for affiliate marketers to make an income online. That makes it all the more pertinent to get started now. Considering that with affiliate marketing, you will be able to earn passive income working from home while making use of a cost-effective, convenient and flexible marketing strategy. To reach your target audience by leveraging on the power of search engine optimization and still not have to deal with customer support in order for you to get performance-based rewards and earn an income online. Now you might be curious and wondering how an affiliate marketer gets compensated after connecting a seller with a customer. The customer does not always have to purchase the product in order for the affiliate to receive a commission. The affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be calculated differently depending on the program. Let's now take a look at the different ways an affiliate might be compensated based on what the product creator expects from him. 1. Pay per sale. This is the most common way affiliate marketing works. In this system, the product creator pays the affiliate a percentage of the product's sale price once a customer buys it as a consequence of the affiliate's marketing efforts. To put it another way, the affiliate must really persuade the buyer to buy the goods before they are paid. 2. Pay per lead. Pay per lead affiliate system is a more complicated method that pays the affiliate based on the number of leads converted. The affiliate must persuade the customer to go to the merchant's website and take the requested action, such as filling out a contact form, signing up for a product trial, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading software or files. 3. Pay per click. The goal of this system is to encourage affiliates to send customers from their marketing platform to the merchant's website. This means that the affiliate must engage the customer to the point that they will leave the affiliate's site and visit the merchant's instead. The affiliate is compensated based on the increased traffic to the merchant's website. Now my bonus tip on how to get started as an affiliate marketer the proper way is this. However simple as affiliate marketing appears to be, the straightforward truth is that for you to become a great affiliate marketer, you'll need a lot of industry expertise in your target niche, patience to understand that it's a marathon and not a sprint, and content marketing strategy to position yourself to give your target audience the highly sought after valuable posts they are constantly in search of in the form of articles, blog posts, videos, podcasts, and whatever other avenue you choose. Or whichever affiliate marketing earning model you pick. So you'll need to have the skills, tools, and resources to build a successful online business if you want to avoid the common mistakes that most affiliate marketers make when they first start the journey. This channel is dedicated to constantly uploading useful and valuable content, to guide you on the path to affiliate marketing success, so ensure you subscribe now, and you will be sure to receive actionable content you can bank on for making money online. And also don't forget to like this video or leave a comment if you found value in this video. Stay tuned and keep watching videos on Innovations 2021 and beyond, for directions on how to navigate the path to success as an affiliate.